Hello everybody, my name is JT. Today we're going to do a in-depth review on these Bose SoundSport wireless earbuds. So I was looking for a pair of earbuds that was sweat resistant, that was compact, and that was stylish, and I found these. So on the screen you'll see the full specs of the Bose SoundSport wireless earbuds. Let me go ahead and open this up. So the first thing I noticed is that it comes in a really nice box. You're getting a pouch as well for your earbuds. You're getting your micro USB cable. You're getting 2 ear tips as well. The version you're looking at is the Aqua version. The design of the Bose SoundSport has a nice, sleek, elegant design to it, especially with the aqua blue color. I really like the way it looks. The overall build quality of the Bose is it has a nice rubber texture on the outside. This is definitely good for sweat resistance. The top part has a nice strong plastic, and the buds itself is a nice soft rubber texture to it, so it will feel nice in the ears. Comfort wise, they feel really nice on the ears. They have a nice snug feel to them. I've used these for a max 4 hours without feeling tired or my ears hurting, so they should be good for long hour usage. The overall seal of the headphones is good. It did a good job removing outside noise. These headphones are all day usage. You can use them for walking outside, on the bike, or at the gym. They did a really good job overall. I have used these on 3 full charges and they all lasted around 6 hours of full charge. And just in case you forget to charge these, a 15-minute charge will give you 1 hour usage. So let's take a closer look at the audio quality. The bass is on the low side, but you can actually adjust this with the EQ. The mids are nicely present in the audio, voice, and guitar will sound really good. The highs are good, not overexposed. The lows kind of mix into the mids, but they did an okay job. On the right side, you have your power on button. This button acts as well as a pair button. And in the middle part, you have your volume up, your volume down. You also have your voice activation, and you have your answer call and reject call as well. You're getting a micro USB. I wish it had a USB-C, but it's okay. Let's take a closer look at the call quality. I did a couple of call tests, and most of the people told me that I sounded like I had the phone near my mouth. The conversations I had sounded overall okay. It sounded not too far, but not too close as well. Video latency is non-existent, so you don't have to worry about watching movies or videos out of sync. Connectivity wise, it comes with Bluetooth 4.2. You can use them on multiple devices at the same time, and you can switch from a song on a PC to a phone with relative ease. Another thing I like about it is that it is travel friendly. My overall thoughts on the SoundSports by Bose is that they are a nice pair of earbuds that are lightweight, compact, that are sweat resistant. These earbuds are definitely for the gym, for going outside, for jogging, and you're also getting an actual travel case with it. The audio quality is really good. The feedback for phone call quality is good as well. So if you're looking for a pair of earbuds like that, I personally like them. Thank you for watching this video. Have a great day. Take care. Bye bye.